Welcome to the One-on-One Library, your go-to source for all things tech and beyond. Today, we're kicking off a new brand series that will teach you different skills to master Microsoft apps. To start, I'm going to show you how to access these powerful tools for free. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an account, navigate the apps, and use some cool tips and tricks to enhance your productivity. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's create an account. Open your browser and go to office.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner. If you have a Microsoft account, simply log in. If not, click on create one and simply just follow the on-screen instructions, enter your email, create a password, and you're good to go. Once you've created your account, you'll be redirected to the main Microsoft Office dashboard where you'll see all the available apps like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Forms, and more. Now that you're logged in, let's take a tour of the dashboard. Here, you'll see all the familiar apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and more. To start using an app, just click on its icon. For example, let's open a Microsoft Word to get a feel for the interface. Here we are in Microsoft Word. It looks a lot like the desktop version. You can create new documents, use templates, and access all the standard features. Now, here are some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of these free apps. Tip number 1 is use templates to save time. Microsoft offers a wide range of templates for resumes, cover letters, budgets, and more. Just click on Create, and this will show you all the available templates for each app. Search for a template that suits your need and use it. These templates are a great starting point and can help you get a professional looking document in no time. Tip number 2. Take advantage of collaboration features. You can share your documents with others and work on them in real time. Head to your Microsoft app. On the top right corner, click on Share. Click Share again, and this will open the Share dialog box. Type the email of the person that you want to share this document with. Set your permissions and modify them here, and start working together on your document. Tip number 3 is utilizing OneDrive for cloud storage. All your documents are automatically saved to OneDrive, plus you get a 5 GB free storage from Microsoft. This means that you can start a document on your laptop and finish it on your phone or tablet. Also, you can choose to upload any existing documents by clicking on the upload button. This will allow you to upload any existing documents you have on your machine and work on them. And there you have it. Use the Microsoft apps for free through the Microsoft app website. Whether you're a student or a professional, these tools are a great asset. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the One-on-One Library for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.